All right, I finally got an angle that's workable here in this garden. Anyway, Happy New Year, everyone. I have got a lot of chores to do, and for the new year, I want to cut up some stuff and propagate them. I wished, I wish I had done this early in maybe early summer or late spring, because it's already January. I mean, even though we just only a few days in, I would like to have given them a longer growing time. The summer is so short here in Melbourne, and just if they had a longer time, then these plants would have plenty more time to grow. But still, they have grown so much over this spring and just the summer as well. Second month of summer now, January. So uh, never too late to give it a go, because we have two um, growth spurts. I should say the plants have two sort of growth spurts. One in maybe late spring, and then they have another growth spurt in autumn. So if I plant now, if I propagate these things, oh my god, these motorbikes here, such big noise. Anyway, if I plant propagate them now, they should catch on. And even if the summer is really hot, like we got February to go, and that is the hottest month usually, if they stay dormant, just say for Feb, so from March till May, they still got a good growing season there. So for autumn, they do put out lots of growth. So that's what I'm going to do. I want to cut these, and there are some plants that I have just one plant, and I want to have backups. So in case one dies, I want to propagate them. So at least I have two or three around the garden. So if one doesn't make it, I still have that plant. So let me show you all the ones that I'm cutting up and propagating, and you know, so maybe maybe early autumn we can do a follow up to see how they've fared and how much they've grown. So let me get this camera and start. All right, this one, see this, I don't know what it is. It's some pachyphytum, and I just had one of it, and it has grown. You can see it's multiplied. There's now like four of them. But if you look close inside, those bottom leaves aren't looking too good, and even this one here. So I'm going to cut them up and plant them elsewhere. So it'll give the new area where I cut it, it will push out new growth, and then I'm going to plant the cut-offs in another spot. So in case this one dies off, I still have some. I'll take these leaves out at the bottom. There's one coming out here as well, so it will grow like that there. Maybe this big one. Yeah. Oh, this is also getting a baby. Anyway, I'll just take out the bottom leaves and plant it. You can see these ones. These leaves are looking terrible. These leaves in the bottom, they look so shriveled. So that one fell off. And we're just going to take these ones off. I'm putting one here. Just aside. I don't need too much of soil. This should be fine. Just shove it in there. Oh, that should do. These rocks will hold it in place. Please grow. I'm going to plant this one here in the back. Where? I don't know if it, maybe it doesn't like too much of sun. So I might put it here by that rock. We'll get some shade from this pot. You know, we have all the tools, but look, this is what we use, whatever's on hand. There, there we go. Can't even see it, but let's see how it does. Now remember this crested sedum that I said I was going to cut up. You can see how it's falling and flopping about. So that's going to get chopped, and I'm going to plant it in the backyard. Look, I can make 2 plants from there, but I might just keep it like that. See, it's already got some roots there. And this one's not sturdy as well. I might just replant this one here. Look how cute they look. They look like, I told you, like little carpets, but they look like what you call those anemones, like a coral. Look how cute it is. Oh, yeah, and this one is really small. I might just cut it as well and just put it somewhere else. I've got 3 now. See, oh, they grew so much. Anyway, that's got the chop, and I'm putting one of those back close to the spot where I chopped it from. Plant it here. Should be fine. Looks so cute next to the rock. And then getting this California sunset. Look, it's colored up so nicely here, but it's getting leggy, so I'm gonna give it a chop and propagate that as well. I might put some in the same spot because I do want it here, but yeah, not so bushy like that. So I'll plant it back around here. After I finish, I'm going to give this a nice drink. I know I shouldn't plant and then water, but I think they might be fine. Now this one here, I'm not going to uproot it, but it's so, you can see how full it is with all this dried leaves. I'll bring it closer. Yeah, the leaves are so dry. I just want to give it a clean. I've got a forceps, like I'm doing surgery. They're so good to pick out the leaves. Look. Oh, I wish you could see it closely. I hope you can get a good view of it, but it's so nice to pull out these leaves and they get in there. These were ready to be cleaned. Yes. Already looking so good. It is so packed with new growth. Let me pull out these last bits and I'll show you what it looks like inside here. Right. Right, look here. After removing the leaves, there's so much growth and so much of, you can see they all dried up there. There, look how much growth. You need to give it a little bit more of a clean. This is getting so squashed here against the rock. But look how cute it's growing. So full. Yeah, these forceps are so good. I got it off Amazon. And they can get in there and pull out the dry leaves. Oh, okay, that's okay for now. Look, it's much better. I need to get rid of all those leaves. See how much I pull out. Next, what was next? Gonna cut that, cut that. Oh, I was gonna take some cuttings off there. Do that. Remember, I said these are so squashed in here. I need to take out some. And this Fred Ives has a baby, so I'm going to cut the baby out. Baby is young, but still, I'm going to cut it out and take out a few of that. I'll try and get. It's hard to get in here. Maybe I don't know. Maybe this big one. That looks so big. And hopefully they fill out that space. This Fred Ives baby. There. Cut it. It looks young, but I'm gonna take it elsewhere. I don't know if I should take another one of this. Maybe this one that's stuck here inside. Yeah, that should be fine. I almost forgot I was going to cut this one. Remember this? So see how much it's grown. It's covered that whole area. Let me give it a trim. Oh, the sun's come out. I think that looks okay. you can see how much this one's grown. This ice plant, it's gone over that portulacaria. So I'm gonna give it a trim. Get my finger off the camera here. This plant, I brought it back from the dead. It was like nothing left, and now it's just grown so much. Maybe just this one piece here. That should do. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, I planted those cuttings, those ice plant cuttings here on the edge. I want them to grow and fill up there. That will be good. And then I just want to show you here the other one mentioned in one of my earlier videos. This curly jade was blocking this orbia, and I cut out one of the branches here, cut it up down there, and that just opened up this whole area for it. So it's got more space and it's getting more light now. So that's about it, I think, for all that my chopping and propping and taming the garden. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye.